What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're actually going to be installing the charge pipes. We got Javier here. He's going to give us a hand. So yeah, we're going to be installing it today. Hopefully maybe installing something after that, but we'll see if we include that for the next video.
Yeah. You know, one video at a time.
So in case you don't know, this is what we're swapping.
Charge pipe.
Right here.
And this is for boost. This is for meth. This is for nitrous. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Alright guys, so just to kind of show you what came in. So this is one part. That's the other part. Goes together with this clamp. Maybe I should take the clamp out. Take the clamp out. Oh, never mind. We'll take clamp out later. And
We gotta thank you though.
it comes with a thank you letter from Kev. Kev, sponsor me.
Ta-da! Step number 2 completed.
I'm keeping this.
Ah. Need that back.
No, you don't. You have another one.
Okay, so that's loose.
All right.
Well, I keep saying that we could probably get it from here.
Money on that.
I got it.
Okay.
You gotta leave that.
I was waiting for him. He said, "Wait." I said, "Okay." Brah.
So it is not touching no more.
Loose.
So you wanna try to get it from here?
Yeah.
It's like right there.
Can I take this off?
Yeah, sure. Wait, how's this clip?
I don't approve of it.
Look, get this on recording. How you take off an intake.
You know we have a screwdriver.
So we're in a hurry, okay? This is like a really big screwdriver. That doesn't work.
What's down there?
And I can see because I can't even see what I'm doing.
Got the angles.
Is that what she said?
I got the angles.
Why did you take this off?
What'd you say?
Unless we pull it upwards.
You can't.
Not possible, right?
No. It has to go down.
So hopefully if we only take this one out, we don't have to take
You
none
have
of
to take the
these.
whole thing, dude.
Man, we're not trying to do all of that, bro.
Alright.
Ta-da! Can you pull it up or you want to get it through here? Oh, through here it's not gonna go. That's
Transition.
well, Brian.
So the old one's out.
So if anybody needs an OEM, what's this? A charge pipe?
Yeah.
Hit Brian up.
Compare how
Oh, okay, compare. So here's the new charge pipe we're putting in. Yo, it's pretty close. That's the same shape and everything. Imagine.
Okay. For everybody who doesn't know, they take this off and then they slide it in and then they try to clip it on. That is so freaking hard. Just leave it clipped in. Leave it clipped in, and then on the intercooler and on the throttle body, you'll see it's actually tapered. So all you have to do is push it in, and it'll by itself go in, and you'll hear it go click click. You don't have to take this off and then put it back on. It's so much harder. Just push it in, and you'll hear it click.
How does it go?
Click click like that.
So this thing is tight in there.
That's what she said.
No boost leaks.
You sure?
Oh, we're not quite sure, but we're trying. So how much pounds are you gonna put? This is about to be like 50 pounds, right?
Something like that. Like, wait.
So Roland's gonna... so once we're done, Brian's gonna be running like 50 pounds of booze, so watch out if you see him in the streets.
So if you see me blow up, you know why.
If you see a piston come through the exhaust, or like the turbo housing come through the
Cylinder
exhaust.
number 5 has left the group. She's on there good. You know what that was? That was the O-ring.
Ay.
Where'd the deal?
The new ones? That we're giving you a pain in the butt?
Yeah, because they're brand new, so it's tight.
Oh, it's good that it went in tight.
O-ring
Is
tight.
tight. I don't know why this, but
Tight O-ring.
this means tight O-rings.
Okay, so it's officially finished. It is right there. Finish, finish, finish. We are finished. So we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it or find it helpful. Thank you to my friends. This one, that one. Got anything to say?
Damn.
You got
Stay
anything to
tuned. Flame map coming in soon.
say? Okay, you're taking too
big
long.
turbo.
So if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smash that like button, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.